Which type of WeChat official account should I select? Hi, welcome to my channel, a place you can find useful information on China's social media marketing, e-commerce, and entrepreneurship. WeChat Official Account is an essential marketing tool for brands entering the Chinese market. Currently, WeChat offers 3 different types of official accounts, namely subscription accounts, service accounts, and corporate accounts. But hold on, before you select the type of your WeChat official account, let's have a detailed look at these accounts and how would each type of account benefit your business goals and needs. I hope by the end of this video, you would have a better understanding on each type of the WeChat official accounts. Alright, let's start off with the subscription accounts. Subscription accounts are ideal for information and communications. The main focus of this type of account is to keep your audience updated with the latest information and news, much like a news media channel. This type of account allows you to publish once a day, and you can publish up to 8 sub-articles each time. All the published articles will be sent to the followers' subscription folder, and the followers will not receive any push notifications. Currently, subscription accounts are only open for Chinese business entities or Chinese individuals, those who has a valid Chinese ID. Foreign businesses who are looking to register this type of accounts have only 2 options. One is to have a registered business license in mainland China. This could mean setting up a new office in mainland China. Alternatively, you can authorize a mainland media company or a Chinese individual to register the account on your behalf. But bear in mind that this way, you do not legally own the WeChat official account, since the registration info is under a third-party person or company. Think twice before you want to do so. The second type of account is called service accounts. Focusing on service, WeChat service accounts provides a stronger support for customer service and CRM functions. This type of accounts is very sales-oriented and can be integrated with the WeChat Pay function for a smooth sales experience. This type of WeChat account allows you to publish 4 times in one calendar month, and you can publish up to 8 sub-articles each time. Instead of showing under a followers folder, WeChat service accounts will actually send its followers a push notification and will stay in users' chats page. Currently, this type of account is the only option for non-Chinese business entities, and it is mandatory for business to go through the business verification process. I have created a free step-by-step guide for registering WeChat official account as a non-Chinese business. Please find a link in the description down below. Unlike WeChat subscription accounts and service accounts, which are targeting external audiences, WeChat corporate accounts are specialized for internal communication and management. Users must be verified before they could even follow a corporate account. I hope you have a comprehensive understanding of WeChat official accounts type by now, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next week.